Good morning folks, we're back down here again. Hopefully we'll have more than a chub today. As soon as I appear, who else appears? Okay folks, so it's early morning, the mist is slowly burning off with the sun, and hopefully I've come further downstream, so I've left the swans up there for a bit. Bloody things. Don't matter, seem to where I go, they just always pop up and ruin my fishing. Back in the swim where I lost that mirror yesterday, so we'll see if we can tempt something up onto the top and hopefully winkle it out. Right, well I've left my gear in a swim, and yeah, we're going to go and have a bit of a wander because I've not seen a single carp so far, and that's pretty unusual down here. But it is quite high pressure, it's warm, so they're probably just laying up somewhere. There's a carp down in there, so let me go and get my gear. There's a carp right over there in the lilies. I don't know if you can see him, he's just coming around the edge. Looks like a mirror. Well, I've seen two carp. And they're just not taking anything, they're just cruising about. It's bright sunshine, it's not ideal. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll head down to the other sort of like swims, have a quick nose in there, and if there's nothing about, I may go up the lake. Nearly. He spooked then, didn't he? Right, let's get this back out. Only a little one, but they all count. Here we go, folks. Right guys, carp number 4. Another little one. Right then guys, that's the end of the session today. So 4 carp. What am I doing that for? 4 carp. Unfortunately nothing from a river, so I might be getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning to go down there and take a few more bits with me, some method feeder and stuff like that, and sit down there and give it a go. Yeah, what can I say? Right then guys, thanks for joining me, see you later.